Okay. Good morning, everyone. Uh, Today, in this class, we will begin with this problem. For everyone, the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and my
Yes,
audio
sir.
is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now, in this particular problem, which I have given in your PDF copy, that is the fourth problem. So here, the wall is 30 centimeter outside, correct now? And inside the partition walls are 20 centimeter walls. Partitions 20 centimeters walls are there. Now, when you see this cross section, this cross section consists all the elements of a building. If you understand this problem, okay, so for this total module is completed only. Okay, in this particular example, we are solving almost all the elements which are present in a given normal building. Found excavation is there, PCC, sandstone masonry, earth filling, mosaic flooring. What is this? Brickwork is there, window is there, chajja is there, that chajja projection is there, again brickwork, floor is there, waterproof is there, parapet wall is there, internal plastering, outer plastering, painting, everything, every element is there, every element is there. Okay na? Now, in this one, just try to see how to take long walls, how to take short walls. Now, long wall is this length, no? 1, 2, correct? 1 and 2. Just I will take this one. One second. Can you see the cursor movements of this one?
Yes, sir.
Cursor movement. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So you can take this as a long wall and this as a short wall. Now try to understand we have two different types of wall. Two different types of wall. Whatever I am marking, no, two long walls in 30 centimeter wall, two short wall in 30 centimeter wall. Are you understanding now? In 30 centimeters only, you have two long wall, two short wall, or else you can say 30 centimeter wall, and you have 20 centimeter wall inside. 20 centimeter wall inside. Now try to understand in this one. In this one, the lengths will be changing. The lengths will be changing as we go. We will be understanding this problem. Okay, now. Now see, so many elements in this example. It is solved. We'll go first one. We'll go first one. Okay, now you have to keep your what is that? Keep your the book and the pen where you have already drawn this diagram. You should be there. Now for 30 centimeter wall. Now, first, as usual, for everything, you need to calculate center to center method, center to center distance. Now, in this example, they have solved which method? If you see here, this formula, for which method it is hold good?
Long wall,
Just
short wall, sir.
no. Long wall, short wall, it is not like that. Try to understand.
Center
N
line,
in
sir.
n into b by 2 minus n into b by 2. What is this?
Center line, sir.
Center line method. It is called as center line method. Okay, na? So now here you can see they have marked L1, they have marked L2. What are those L1 and L2? Okay, so 30 centimeter wall, main wall. So this side is the L1, this side is the L1, this side is the L2, this side is the L2. Now I will go to the diagram. There you can understand this length. See this length. How to calculate this length? 3, 3, correct? Plus 0.3 by 2 plus zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.3 by 2. How much? I will repeat once again. I will repeat once again. I will repeat once again. Once again. Now, how to calculate this one? This side, we are going with the center line method. We are going with center line method. What is this? 0.3 by 2, no? Correct? Yes or no? Can anyone reply, please?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, I'll just go. We are calculating this distance. See, you have to see side dimension is less internal walls. If you go this one, it will be tedious, na? Here one more wall is there, here one more wall is there. To avoid that one, you go this side because only one internal wall is there, so you can easily add and get. So here, this side, L1, let us say this is a L1, 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 3 plus 0.3 by 2. How much it is coming? How much it is coming?
6.45, sir.
6.4, sir.
6.5.
6.5.
6.5. It's going. Okay, na? This is center to center in this direction. Now, in this direction, how to calculate? How to calculate in this direction? Let us say, let us 1 second. I will just erase this one. In this direction, 0.3 by 2, correct? 0.3 by 2 plus 2.1, correct? Plus 0.2, okay? Plus 3.6
भेज दो नको जी नको जी।
plus 0.2,
अरे नको जी नहीं
okay,
हुआ सर
plus 2.3, correct, plus 0.3
चलो
by 2, plus 0.3 by 2. Are you understood this thing you have understood? Now this side length, first here 0.3 by 2 plus 2.1 plus 0.2 plus 3.6 plus 0.2 plus 2.3 plus 0.3 by 2. How much?
8.7.
8.7. Very good. Everyone should give the answer. 8.7. For everyone, it is clear how to make this one.
Yes, sir.
Clear, huh? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going with the center line method. Okay, this is not a long wall, short wall method, center line method. So we need to calculate all the length of 30 centimeter wall. We are first calculating what? All the length of 30 centimeter wall, only center to center, only center to center. So this we have calculated as 6.5. So one 6.5, another 6.5. Clear? Huh? This we have calculated as what is that? 8.7. So 8.7, 8.7. How much? 2 times 6.5, 2 times 8.7. How much?
30.4.
30.4. Good. For everyone, it is coming 30.4.
Yes, sir.
Clear? For others, I am
Yes, sir.
asking. Please,
Yes,
please
sir.
reply everyone. Guru Prasad, Pooja, Prithviraj, Ram
Yes, sir.
Prasad, Ranganath,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rajendra,
Yes, sir.
Rishikesh,
Yes, sir.
Sachin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please. Because
Sir, can
very
you repeat
important
it?
in between, you need to tell me the answer. Okay, na? So first in the center line method, we have calculated only 30 centimeter wall, total center to center distance. Now come back to internal walls. So we need to calculate na, everything.
Yes, sir.
We need to calculate all the things. First, for first 20 centimeter wall, so we are going to inside one wall between kitchen and rear veranda. Kitchen, rear veranda. मतलब क्या है? कौन सा है? This distance, no? Are you understanding? This one.
Yes, sir.
This one, na? So this length, how much? 0.3 by 2, okay, plus 2.3 plus 0.2 by 2, correct? This one, kitchen and rear veranda, that wall is there, no? So how to calculate? 0.3 by 2 plus 2.3 plus 0.2 by 2. How much?
2.55, sir.
2.55.
2.55. Very good, very
Yes,
good,
sir.
very good. Next internal
2.5.
wall. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, na? So next, wall between rear veranda and water closet. Wall between this rear veranda, wall between this rear veranda and water closet bath means what? This line, this wall. Okay, na? Later on, we are going to deduct this D1 and D1. No problem. How to calculate this one? 0.3 by 2. Correct? 0.3 by 2. And what is this vertical distance? 0.9. It is given here. 0.9. Next is what? This total 0.2. This total 0.2. Next is what? This 1.2, this 1.2 plus what? 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. Clear? 0.3 by 2, 0.9, 0.2, 1.2, 0.2 by 2. 0.2 by 2. How much?
2.55.
2.55.
2.55. Very good. 2.55. Very good. Okay, now next, this wall, water closet and bath. That what wall is there? No, how much this distance? How much this distance? Here, 0.2 by 2 plus 1.5 plus 0.3 by 2. 0.2 by 2 plus 1.5 plus 0.3 by 2. Correct? Clear?
1.75.
1.75. Correct?
1.75, sir. Yes, sir.
1.75.
75.
So, 1.75. Okay, na? So, 1, 2, 3. 3 walls completed. Next, we will go for kitchen and rear veranda plus bathroom, bedroom, living. All these things, how much? 6.55. 6.5. All this 1, 2, 3. Total addition.
So what horizontal, sir?
No, 1, 2, whatever we have calculated, no, 20 centimeter walls.
6.85, sir. 6.
Okay, leave that because we are going to add all the things later. First, we have calculated only these three things: 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will go for this one. Okay, don't add all those things. We will add later all the things. Okay, now don't add. Okay, so how much is this distance? How much is this distance? How to calculate this distance? Whether this is equal to that L1?
Yes, sir.
Can you see? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, we have calculated no already outside center to center.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes, sir.
already it is there no this side direction 6.5.
Yes, sir.
Easy no this 0.3 by 2 plus 3 plus 0.2 plus point plus 3 plus 0.3 by 2. How much?
6.5.
6.5.
6.5, sir.
6.5. How many walls of 20 centimeter now you have calculated? This one 2.55. Second, that is 2.55 again. Third, 1.75. Fourth, this line, 6.5. 4 walls na? No. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 walls. Please answer yes or no.
Yes, sir. 4 walls, sir.
Yes,
4
sir.
walls na? Everyone, what happened to others? Why you are not answering?
Yes,
So
sir.
many people are there. 25 people are
Sir.
there. Please answer. Sneha, Shweta, Shreya, Sunil, Venkatgowda, Vidhi,
Yes, sir.
Vijay.
Yes,
What
sir.
happened? So many times I am asking you, why you are not replying? Please do answer the questions. Okay, na? Okay. I will just proceed to next one. Next, we will take this wall. This wall. How much is this the center to center of this 20 centimeter wall? 0.2 by 2 plus 3 plus 0.3 by 2. Repeat. 0.2 by 2 plus 3 plus 0.3 by 2. How much?
3.25, sir. 3.25, sir.
3.25.
3.25.
3.25.
3.25. The last wall, fifth wall, 20 centimeter wall, that is fifth wall, this distance. Easy, no? Easy, no? 5.2 is there, na? 5.2 is there. Here plus 0.2 by 2, here plus 0.3 by 2. Simple. Plus 0.3 by 2, this 5.2 plus this 0.2 by 2. How much?
5.45, sir.
5.45.
5.45, sir.
5.45.
45.
Good. 5.45. Everyone is getting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Okay, na? So now what is happening here now? Total 20 centimeter length. How much? Total only 20 centimeter. Shweta Munole, what is the answer? .05. How many are you getting 22.05? Can anyone give me the answer? Nobody is there. What happened? Rishikesh?
Sir, calculating.
Calculating. Okay, okay. I thought something has happened. Sandesh, Sanju, only 20 centimeter wall addition. Simple, no? Only adding these numbers. Arey Baba, simple addition. Pujari.
Sir, 22.05.
Okay.
22.05, sir.
Okay. Another
Sir, screen black.
22.05, sir.
Okay. Belavi,
22.
Pujari.
22.05.
Okay, very good. Now, see on the screen, can you see? So here what they have done, 30 centimeter wall, you already calculated it is 30.4. Okay, na? For 20 centimeter wall, it is 22.05. 22.05. Now, can you see in this diagram what they have calculated? In this diagram, shall I enlarge it? Enlarge it. Okay. What they have done? They have marked the number of junctions here. They have marked the number of junction. See here, outside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are the junctions where 20 centimeter is meeting with 30 centimeter wall. Correct now? 120 is meeting with 30. One other 20 is meeting with 30. 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 These are the junctions, number of junctions where 20 centimeter is meeting with the 30 centimeter wall. That is, we call it as N1, number of junctions of 20 is to 30, 7. Similarly, internal junction where 20 is meeting with 20. 20 is meeting with 20. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many junctions are there? 5 junctions are there. Is that point clear? Is that point clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Please reply. No, 1 or 2 persons can reply.
Yes, sir.
Jana. Okay. Now see. Now number of junctions 30 to 30 are not there. No problem. We have seen 20 is to 37, 20 is to 25. 20 is to 25. So they have marked N1, N2. We have seen it in the number. So now basic calculations are completed. Now we'll start with the one by one items. One by one items. Whenever you have two different walls, if you have two different walls, you should always write it in separate manner. You should always write it in a separate manner. How you have written for size stone masonry, first footing, second footing, like that in the previous examples, no? So similarly, you have to write a separate calculation for 30, separate calculation for 20 in the excavation or in other items also. Other items also. Clear na? So now in this diagram, now Where is that previous? Previous. What is the length and width? Length and width in the cross section. Can you see? What is the width of excavation? 0.8. What is the height of excavation from here to here? How much? From ground level to this one.
1 meter, sir.
1 meter. From ground level is here. From here to the bottom of the excavation is 0.8 plus 0.2. It is 1 meter. Correct? Huh? So try to understand. It is 1 meter depth. 0.8 is the width. But that excavation length, width and breadth is same for internal walls also. Same for external walls also. No problem here. No, nothing confusion should not be here. Excavation, PCC, side-stone masonry, all these have dimensions B and D same for 30 as well as 20. 30 as well as 20. Okay, na? Now going to the calculation. Going to the calculation as usual. As usual, how to write this one? Write numbers, because here no long wall, no short wall, only center to center distance. That is why you are writing it 1. Do not write this second column. Only write what? Width, depth, width, depth. Okay, na? For 30, for 20. These things clear? These things clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to write the corrected length here? That formula is whatever center to center you have calculated, no? Minus N1 into B by 2 minus N2 into B by 2. This is standard. This is the standard. Okay, na? Now, here in the previous examples, only one we have written, only N into B by 2, because only one type of interjunctions were there. But here, multiple interjunctions are there. So that we are writing it for two separate. One is for 20:30, another is for 20:20. Okay, na? So now first one center to center. Okay, na? How much is that center to center? 30.4. For 30.4, it should not be any corrections. Why? There are no 30 to 30 junctions are there. Okay, na? For 30 centimeter wall, you have written directly 30.4. Why? Because there are no junctions. There are no junctions. Why? It is a peripheral line. But for internal, there are so many junctions. There are so many junctions. So that is why center to center, which was calculated, it was a 22.05 minus N1 into B by 2. Means what? 20:30. How many junctions were there? 7 junctions were there. What is that width of that item? 0.8 by 2. Similarly, another junctions are 5. For the same item, what is the B here? For that also 0.8 by 2. So by simplification, you will get to 17.25. So that value you have written here. That value you have written here. I will repeat once again. As there are no external junctions 30:30, there is no correction for the 30.4 length. Whatever you have calculated, simply you are writing for 30 centimeter wall. But for a 20 centimeter wall, there are so many junctions. That is why you are doing the corrections. So what exactly you are doing? Original 20:20 length, center to center length, minus N1 into B by 2 minus N2 into B by 2. What is N1, N2? Junctions. What is B and B? Depths. N1 junctions are 7, N2 junctions are 5. Width of that item is same because it is not changing. This will change in brickwork. Till that, only one type of foundation is there. That is why B is not changing. So that is why I have written B1 is equal to B2. Now that corrected length is written here. So you are multiplying this and you are getting these two values and you are getting this final excavation value, 38.12. This step is clear for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Only 3%.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sandesh?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, okay. Next. For PCC bed, if you see the diagram, what is the depth here? 0.2, width is 0.8. Nothing will change, which is same as excavation only. So length I am writing 30.4, 17.25, which will not change. Only change will be here in depth. Only change will be there in depth. So 30, 20, 4.86, 2.86, and answer is 7.62. Answer is 7.62. Any doubt in the PCC bed calculation?
No, sir.
For others?
No, sir.
No. Shall I go to the next step?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you see this diagram? How many footings are there?
2.
Foundations.
2, sir.
2, sir.
See here. 2. Now, one step, second step. For this step, it is 0.5. For second step, it is 0.4. Height, how to calculate this height? How to calculate this height? Bottom height is 0.8, correct. But above height,
0.55 minus 0.15.
very good. So that is 0.55 minus 0.15. It is 0.4. It is 0.4. Okay, na? It is 0.4. Now you got two depths, two width. Okay, na? Only to do the calculation of corrected center to center. Again, when you see this diagram, there are no interjunctions for outside wall. So that 30.4 you are simply writing as it is. So that 30.4 you are writing as it is, but only there is a change in 22.05. That correction is there. 22.05. That correction is there. Okay, now can you see this diagram? Can you see here what is written here? So first foundation, second foundation. In the first foundation, you have 30, you have 20. Again, for the second foundation, you have 30 wall, you have 20 wall. Where all you have written one only. Okay, na? From the diagram, 0.5, 0.8, we have seen. From the diagram, 0.4, 0.4, we have seen. Correct? 0.4, 0.4, 0.8 and 0.5. Yes, correct. As you know, 30 centimeter wall has no junctions. So wherever 30 centimeter length is there, no, you are writing original length only, no correction. Here also in the second footing, 30.4, you are writing it as it is. You are writing it as it is. Only there is a change in 20 wall. Only there is a change in 20 wall. So change, how to write? Original center to center length n1 into b by 2 and n2 into b2 by 2. Correct? N1 is 7, n2 is 5. What is the b? B is the width of that item. Width, how much? It is 0.5. 0.5, 0.5 both are same. Why? Because both the walls have same type of footing. Similarly, for the next footing, the next masonry footing, original length n1 into 0.4 by 2 because its width is 0.4, and here also n2 into b2 by 2 where n2 is 5 junctions and b2 is 0.4, that is also same. So once you do the calculation, it is 19.65. That value you have to write it here because it is a second footing, and this length, that is 19.05, you have to write it in the first footing. So multiplication, you are getting these values. Multiplication, you are getting these values. So this is a 27.78. 27.78. Okay. Now, any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Everyone,
No, sir.
Baba, everyone.
No, sir.
No, na? Is it clear?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sunil, Vidyashri, Belavi, Pujari,
No,
Sneha,
no,
Shweta,
sir.
Shreya,
No doubt, sir.
Shri Narayan.
No doubt, sir.
गाड़ी ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಶ್ರವಣ್.
Sir, Guardi also construction.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, Shravan. Clear? This point.
No, sir.
Okay. Similarly for plinth concrete. Plinth concrete, what is the width? Only this width is 0.4 and thickness is 0.15.
0.15.
Same, nothing problem. So that same length you are writing it here. Why? That second footing of the sandstone masonry and plinth concrete both are same. Plinth concrete means DPC. So this you are writing it same. Only there is a change in depth. Only there is a change in depth. 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter. You are writing it quantities. You are writing it in the quantities. Clear?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is earth filling. Earth filling. See here, there are two components. There are two components. What are the two components? One is in a trench filling, another one is plinth filling. If you go to the diagram, you will understand. Trench filling is in this. Are you understanding? Trench filling. Okay, na? And another
Yes, sir.
filling inside to inside, that is earth filling in the room, just beneath the tiles. Just beneath the tiles, you are filling one part, and another part you are filling it in the trench, which have been excavated. There is a thumb rule to calculate the excavation trench filling. This one, whatever excavation quantity is there, just multiply into 1 by 5. Means what? 1/5 of the excavation quantity you are going to get trench filling. That is one thumb rule. Apart from that, how to calculate this one? How to calculate this one? You need to get this inside distance. Are you getting this inside distance? This
Distance.
inside distance. Okay, na? So that value from here to here, leaving DPC, leaving DPC, this thickness you need to get inside. You need to get inside. Now, how they have calculated? Let us see. Let us see how they have calculated. First part, I think it is not no doubt, because the total earthwork quantity divided by 5, that is 1/5. You are going to directly get what? Directly get 7.62 as the trench fill. Directly you will get trench filling. Now come to the living. How to get this 2.85 and 5.05 and whatever it is there? No, this 0.55 is the same. 0.55 is the same. Where is that 0.55? Total filling from the ground level. Just see here. Just see here. Okay, now you can see here. From here to here only it is filling, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Because
Yes,
beneath
sir.
there is a ground level. Beneath there is a ground level. So from here to here it is a 0.55. That 0.5 is fixed for all the rooms. That 0.5 is fixed for all the rooms. Now from where to where? From this inside DPC. This footing is there, no? From there to there. From there to there. Now just see here. For the living room, what was the center to center? What was center to center? How to calculate from here to here, inside to inside? Initially, you have calculated, no? 3 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. How much it was?
3.25.
3.25, sir.
3.25. Try to understand
3.25.
this simple concept. Center to center was from here to here, it is 3.25. Correct?
25.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
3.25. Now, in that, see, in this diagram, that center to center is from here to here, correct? Na? In that, you have to minus this 0.4 by 2, another 0.4 by 2. Center to center of that room, you have calculated. In that, half of the width of this sandstone masonry, and that side, half of the width of that sandstone masonry. Means what? In the 3.25, minus 0.4 by 2, minus 0.4 by 2. How much?
2.85, sir.
2 point,
85.
everyone is getting 2.85.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, try to understand. It is center to center minus this plinth. Why this plinth? Because you are filling it from that level. Nah? You are filling it from that level. So that is why it is taken like that. Okay. Okay. Similarly, in this direction, what was the center to center? 5.2 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. It was there, center to center.
5.45.
Correct?
5.45.
5.4 was the center to center. Now in that minus 0.4 by 2, minus 0.4 by 2.
5.05.
5 point,
05.
is that clear?
5.05.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Ah, now you understand here. So that is what it is written 2.85, 5.05. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Depth is same. Depth is same. So that calculation they have done for all the rooms. Very simple, na? Center to center minus 0.4 by 2 minus 0.4 by 2. Center to center minus 0.4 by 2, 0.4 by 2. Simply they have done. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ah. Okay, na? So by adding all the things, you will get what? Total excavation filling. Total filling 29.9. 29.9. This concept is very important. Center to center minus 0.4 by 2 minus 0.4 by 2, that you should understand in both the direction. That same thing you are doing it for other rooms.
Hello, sir.
Same thing you are doing it for other rooms. Simple. Clear this point?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
For others, my voice is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is there.
Sanju sir, please come in network. Okay, is it clear? This
Yes, sir.
step for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now we are going for the next item. What is that next item? Next item is brick masonry. Next item is brick masonry. Where is that? Okay. Okay. Brick masonry. Now, now, first you go for normal, no deductions, normal. Okay, na? Again you are writing 30 centimeter, again you are writing 20 centimeter, again you are writing parapet. Again you are writing parapet. Parapet will come at the top. Okay, na? Parapet will come at the top. Now, 30.4 no correction because there are no junctions. Because there are no junctions. Now, for the second 20 centimeter wall, what to write? Original calculated, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Original
Yes, sir.
calculated was 22.05. In that there should be corrections, na? N1 into B1 by 2 minus N2 into B2 by 2.
B by 2.
B1, B2. Here B1, B2 will come. Why? Because there are two types of brick wall. One is 0.3 wall, another is 0.2 wall. Another is 0.2 wall. So now N1 is 7, which is there for 20 is to 30. N2 is 5, which is there for 20 is to 20. Is that step clear?
Yes,
Original
sir.
center to center minus N1 into B1 by 2. This portion is for 20 meeting 30. So here minus N2 into B2 by 2. Here N2 is 5, where B2 is the number of junctions 20 meeting 20. So how many junctions? 5 here. And what is the width of that one? 0.2. What is the width of that one? 0.2. So after calculation, you will get what? 20.5. You will get what? 20.5. Clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that 20.5, I have written it here. Other dimensions are seen from the cross section. One is 0.3 width, another is 0.2 width. Height of the wall remains the same, that is 3.5, 3.5. You are getting the quantity. You are getting the quantity. Now parapet wall, how that is done? Total circumference parapet wall L1, L2, 2 times. L1, L2, 2 times. Now here, what is this 6.8? L1, outside to outside. Outside to outside. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Ah, outside to outside. This L2 is also outside to outside. L2 is also outside to outside. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So here parapet wall width they have considered 0.1. Parapet wall they have considered zero point 0.1. They just deducted 0.1 by 2, 0.1 by 2 because they are taking center line of the parapet wall like this. Center line of the parapet wall. So zero point 0.1 by 2, zero point 0.1 by 2. So that those things they have been deducted. But very important point is they are taking outside to outside 6.8 and 9. 6.8 and 9 they have taken outside to outside and they have deducted only half of the width of plinth wall, sorry, parapet wall. Parapet wall width they have given 0.1. Okay na? And parapet wall height is 0.75. How to calculate length? How to calculate length? How to calculate length? Length is taken outside to outside perimeter, and in each direction they are deducting 0.1 by 2, 0.1 by 2 because that is the width of the parapet. So 2L1, 2L2, which is coming out to be 31.2. So that they have written it here, 31.2. And multiplying, you are going to get 2.34. One thing I want to tell you everyone is that a small mistakes like 6.7 instead of you are getting 6.6, here 8.7, there will not be much of a difference in the total quantity. If plus or minus 1 or 2% is there, no, then no problem. It is not a big issue. Okay. But suddenly 48 is there when you are getting 28, then it is a problem. If 48 is there, if you are getting 45 or 46 or 51 or 52, then it is not making a big problem. It is okay. They will understand it is okay. But try to get as early as possible. This calculation is clear
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
for everyone.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the deductions, what are the deductions you are going to do? How many doors are there? Can you see the door schedules? Can you see? You have to tell me. See here in your diagram, you can refer your book, that drawing. First deduct 30 centimeter wall, second deduct 20 centimeter wall deductions. In 30 also you have doors, windows, ventilators. In 20 also you have doors, there are no windows inside, then there are no ventilators inside, only doors are there. So outside wall, how many big doors are there? D.
2, sir.
Can you see in the diagram, in your diagram?
Yes, sir.
Because it is not easy to going it back. Everyone has the drawing with you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
has
We
the
have, sir.
drawing. Okay, I have given it already in the last week only. You have to refer. So how many doors are there in outside?
2, sir.
Two.
2, sir.
Two,
True,
sir.
sir. True, sir.
What is the width in the schedule?
0.9 meter.
0.9. What is the width of that wall?
0.3.
30, sir.
0.3. What is the height of that door in the schedule?
2.1, sir.
2.1 meter, sir.
Oh, very good. Like that. Now come to the windows. Can you see the diagram? How many windows are there in 30-meter wall?
5.
Can you see in the diagram, in your diagram?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Others, what happened to others? Why you are quiet? Please, I request everyone. Shiv Kumar, very important that everyone should participate because it is a numerical type of a subject. Unless until you participate in the solution, you will not able to understand. So, in fact, how many times I teach, no, if you are not practicing, if you are not alert, okay, it is not able to clear that one. Shreya, Shweta, Sunil, Vidhi, Vijay, what happened to you? Why you are not telling answers? Only some 6, 7 students are continuously answering. What happened to others? Don't you have the drawing there with you? See, Shreya. Shreya,
Yes, sir.
why you are not answering? From the next class, I will not at all teach like this, okay? Try to understand the situation. Shweta, what happened to you? Why you are not answering?
ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂದ್ರಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಇದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
You have to answer, everyone. Sunil, why you are not answering, Baba?
Sir.
Please answer.
Sir.
Balavi, Pujari, why you are keep quiet? Why you are silent? Balavi, Pujari,
ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ
why
ಸರ್.
you are not answering?
ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
Okay. I thought your voice was not visible. Okay, na? Shiv Kumar,
ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ.
Shiv Kumar, yes. Okay. If you are answering, I am very happy. Okay, na? You have to refer the diagram. You have to see the answers. Okay. Now, so this was there. How many windows were there in the 30 centimeter wall? How many windows are there?
5, sir.
5.
5 number, sir.
5. Very good. What is the schedule given? What is the schedule?
1 meter width and 1.2.
So 1 meter by 0.3 meter by 1.2, sir.
Very good. 1 by 0.3 by 1.2. It is given in the schedule. Similarly, go for ventilators. How many ventilators are there in the 30 centimeter wall?
3, sir.
Sir, 3, sir.
Sir.
3, sir.
Very
3,
good.
sir.
3, sir.
Schedule. Check the schedule. Width and height.
0.9 into 1 into 0.6.
0.9 into 0.6, sir.
0.9 into 0.6. These are the dimensions given in the schedule. Width wall is 0.3. Width wall is 0.3. Very good. I need answers like this. Come to the 20 centimeter. In the 20 centimeter, there are no windows. There are no ventilators. Only one D and D1 is there. How many Ds are there inside?
Sir, 5 number.
5, sir.
5 or 4? 1, 2,
5, sir.
3,
5,
4,
sir. 5,
5.
sir.
5, sir.
5.
2, 3,
And dimensions it is already given in the schedule. But see one thing here. What is the width of that door?
0.2.
Thickness of that door.
0.2, sir.
0.2. Why? Because it is a 20 centimeter wall. So you have to deduct that much only. Now, can you understand the concept here? Here the same door. There is no change in its length and height. There is a change in its thickness. Change in the thickness. So similarly, how many small D1? One means D1, bathroom and water closet. How many D1s are there?
2, sir.
2, sir.
2.
Very good. What are its schedule?
0.7.2.
0.75 into
7.5 by 2, sir.
0.75 by 2. Okay, now its thickness is 0.2. This is the doors and windows. Now in the exam, if time is there, you can go for lintel also. Otherwise, leave it. No, not a big issue. See here, how many 1 cubic meter is coming. If it is possible, you do. Otherwise, you leave it. But for the purpose, you try to understand. Throughout there is a lintel, no? Throughout there is a lintel. Correct? Throughout there is a lintel. So that center to center is 30.4 and its width is 0.3 and its thickness is 0.15. Clear? One big lintel is given throughout the periphery, outside wall. This will come 1.37. Now inside the partitions, inside in the example, what they have done is they have not given full length. They have given the lintel only over the doors. But for the outside wall, continuous throughout the periphery, they have given the length. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
inside only wherever doors are there only they have given lintel. So how many doors were there inside? You have to write it same. 5 and 2. 5 D types, 2 D1 types. Now see here, thickness 0.2, okay. Lintel height 0.15, okay. Now In the last problem we have seen, no, door width plus 0.15 plus 0.15. Correct? Door width plus 0.15, 0.15. What is that 0.15, 0.15? Can
Bearing,
anyone
sir.
tell?
Bearing, sir.
Very good. Here only it is written. It is called as a bearing, because above the door some projection is given as bearing. So door size plus 0.15 plus 0.15 on either side. That is going to give 1.2, 1.2. 1.2 and 1.05. All these are what? All these are deductions. Doors, windows, ventilators, lintel, everything are the deduction for which part? Deduction for brickwork.
Brickwork, sir.
So that all deduction minus 7 point something. So in the total, if you minus that 7.15, you are going to get 41.09. You are going to get what? 41.09. Is that
Nine.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay now. Now here next step. What is that? RCC. In the RCC, see here, they have not, because the steel or bar bending schedule is not given. Bar bending schedule is not given for lintel also, and bar bending schedule is not given for slab also. So, but still you need to do the RCC calculation and possibly steel calculation if they have mentioned. So here total cubic meter of RCC. How to get this total cubic meter? Your diagram is not a full rectangle. No, something is taken out. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Some portion is taken out. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you have to do? You take the full rectangle out to out. Minus in that small hatched, is not hatched portion is there. No, if you deduct that one, you will get the RCC quantity. You will get the RCC quantity of the total roof slab. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now in the calculation of parapet wall, what was the outer to outer? 6.8 into 9, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, that is coming out to be 61.2. This is the total square meter of the slab. And in that you have to deduct this portion. What is the deduction of this portion? If you go to the diagram, you will understand. What is the dimension in that one? Can you see? Go back to the diagram. What is the dimension of that
Sir,
small
3 by
portion?
2.1.
3.2.7.
3.3 into,
0.7.
Sir, 3 into 2.1, sir.
pardon?
3 into 2.1, sir.
3 into
Now I will
2.1,
clear
sir.
that doubt. How to do that one? Okay, now remember this diagram: 0.3 and 0.7, 0.3 and 0.7. How it has there? Go back to the diagram. Yes, this is 3, na? Inside to inside,
Yes, sir.
because it is same as this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This 3 plus 0.3, how much?
3.3.
Correct, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We are taking outside to
3.3,
outside. From here it is 3. Okay. From here it is 3. From this to this it is plus 0.3. Which of wall? Thickness of wall. How much?
Yes, sir.
3.3, sir.
3.3, sir.
3.3.
3.3, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, how this 0.7 has come? How this 0.7 has come? What was the total here to here? Let us calculate from. One side it was how much?
9.
8.7.
9, no? Outside to outside it
Yes,
was
sir.
9. In that
9.
9, from this side you deduct there. Just I will calculate this one. You start writing 0.3 plus 2.3. Correct? 0.3 plus 2.3, 2.6. 2.6 plus 0.2, 2.8.
2.8.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
2.8 plus 5.2. 2.8 plus 5.2, how much?
8, sir.
8.
Yes, sir.
8 plus 0.3,
8.3.
8.3. In total 9, if you deduct 8.3, how much?
0.7, sir.
Exactly,
0.7.
they have written that one.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So here they have written 0.7.
7, sir.
0.7. Okay, now. So in that total, if you deduct this one, you will get a total square meter. Total square meter multiplied by 0.1 assumption. If it is given in the diagram, well and good. If it is not given, assume 100 mm thick concrete, 120 mm thick concrete, whatever you assume, you get this quantity. Yes or no? Yes.
ಸರ್
Okay.
ನಾವು ಅದು ಆ thickness ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕೇನು ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕೇನು ಸರ್? ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ್ರಿ.
Generally, if they have not given, they will not ask. If they still ask, you write it assumption. No problem.
ಓಕೆ.
Okay. Generally, they will give in the cross section. What is they have given? RCC roof. Can anyone tell me in the cross section?
10 centimeter thick, sir.
Very good. Should be 10 centimeter thick. Okay, now? Yes. What are these? These things already calculated, I think. Correct, na? Lintel quantities. Yes or no?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
Why calculation brickwork? These are the deductions, no? Yes or no, Baba?
Yes, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
These are the deductions. 1.37, 0.8, 0.065. Yes, these things have been already calculated. Okay, na? Yes.
Yes,
or
sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, RCC, see how many items of RCC? One is a slab, one is lintel, two things completed. Another thing is there. What is that? Chajja. What is that? Chajja.
ಚಜ್ಜ.
Chajja, where they should give wherever door and windows are there. Wherever doors and windows are there, that to outside. That to outside. That to outside. How to get the dimensions? How to get the dimensions? Let us go. Try to remember these things. 1.2, 0.6, 1.125. Now see here, 0.6 is the thickness that should be given in where? That should be given in where?
ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್.
Very good, cross section. What is this 1.2? 1.2 is the width of window or width of door. Anything. Okay, na? Wherever window is there, you take the dimensions of that window, because in this diagram, what is there? Can you see here? Wherever window is there, there only it is coming. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One second, I will just try to erase this. Yes. Okay. Now, can you see here how many doors are there? 1 and 2. Correct? Outside. Here also one
Yes,
dotted line is there. Here also one dotted line is there. Are these are chajja?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್
Chajja,
ಸರ್.
no?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Now, see what is the door size here? 0.9. 0.9. But Chajja, they have extra some projection. 0.15 here, 0.15 here. Wherever window, wherever door is there, they have given some extra 0.15, 0.15. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Okay. Now, see here. 0.9 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. How much it is coming? It is coming out to be 1.2. It's coming out to be 1.2. Okay. What is this chajja width?
0.6.
0.6 sir. 6.
Very good. Yes or no? 0.6. Now, one width and it's that side length, and only thing is what remaining? Only thing is what remaining?
Depth sir.
It's thickness, na?
Thickness sir.
Thickness or not? See here, it's a length 0.6 fixed. its width, that is door width or window width plus 0.15 plus 0.15. Okay na? So that is coming out to be 1.2. Yes, okay, 1.2. What is remaining? It's a thickness.
Thickness, sir.
thickness sir, depth sir.
Thickness is taken average 0.15, 0.1 divided by 2. 0.15 plus 0.1 divided by 2. They have taken average. If you are not taking average also, it is no problem. Concept here is wherever window, wherever doors are there, that opening size plus 0.15 plus 0.15 is the chajja width, and its length is given 0.6 in the cross section, and its thickness it is given in the cross section. So there are how many windows? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 windows of size 1, and 2 doors of size 0.9, and 0.9 and 1 they have to be added with some distance. They have to be added with some distance, that is 0.15 plus 0.15. Okay, na? Can you see here that those distance they have been written here? They are written here. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It's not.
Sir.
So that distance after adding the chajja projection they have written here. 0.6 is given in the cross section. 0.125 is the average thickness. Average thickness or average depth of the chajja. So how many doors? 2. How many windows? 5. So that many chajja projections are there. If you add all those things, you will get 8.132. 8.132. Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Steel calculation. See here, for the roof they have not calculated. Only they have calculated for lintel. That is 1.5% of the RCC. 1.5% of the lintel quantity into steel's unit weight. So much kg of steel is there. So much kg of steel is there. Is that okay? Simply they have written like that. 1.5% of the lintel RCC quantity, you will get RCC quantity into density of steel, you will get so many steel in kg, 957 kg and 0.957 metric ton. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, people are still seemingly quiet. Okay. Weatherproof. Total roof area na?
Yes, sir.
Weatherproof. What is that? Water. Weatherproof course. So that is a total roof area that we have already calculated in the previous step. Total roof minus parapet wall minus
Sir,
how
Sir,
much
your
it
video got stuck, sir.
sir,
video
voice
got
is
stuck
break.
for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Voice is breaking, sir.
One second.
Sir.
Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now it is clear.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Now, what was the previous step? Total total roof area. Roof area from the previous step. Previous step was there, no? Item.
58.89, sir.
Square meter it was there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Square
sir.
meter.
Just see this diagram. Just see. So this is your total roof area. Okay, that is 58.89 square meter. In that, what is the length of parapet? Total length of parapet, outside length.
31.2, sir.
Length, no? Yes or no?
Yes,
31.2 is the length. And what is its width? Small width of that parapet wall.
0.1, sir.
Point one.
Point one,
One.
sir.
So its total length into its width will give parapet area, bottom area. Parapet, bottom area. So that is written here. That is written here. Total length of parapet into that width will give this parapet area. Leaving that one only, you are going to do the waterproof membrane. Leaving that one only, you are doing the waterproof membrane. So that is written here. So 58.9 minus 31.2 into 0.1, that much square meter. That much square meter. Clear this step?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is this external plastering, internal plastering?
Sir, external.
External plastering is
External
out, sir.
out of the wall, sir, outer
Hmm.
wall, and
Sir.
internal plaster for internal wall, sir.
Internal walls. Dimensions for external plaster, you should take out dimensions. For internal walls, you should take.
Wall. Internal dimensions.
Right now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In this one, you should imagine the building now. Then only you will be understand. For all the external wall, what is the height? You tell me from the ground level. Wall plus parapet length, including
4.35, sir.
parapet is 0.75 and
Yes,
brick wall is 3.5. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes, sir.
4.35. What is this 31.6?
Length, sir.
Outside to outside length of
External
wall,
wall.
external wall. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which is equal to parapet length. Which is equal to parapet length. Okay, na? This is 137. 137. Now, parapet wall, that top portion is there, no? We have covered sidewise. We have to see top side. So top side length of parapet and top width. So that is coming out to be 3.12. That is coming out to be 3.12. Similarly, inside of a parapet, what is this length? 30.8 is the inside to inside roof. 30.8 is the inside to inside that roof, and its height inside is 0.75. Its height inside is 0.75. That is 23.1. That is 23.1. Is that clear
Yes, sir.
for everyone?
Sir.
Is that clear? Three items: full outside wall, parapet top, and inside of the parapet. Inside of the parapet.
Sir, once again, sir.
Once again, now see.
Sir, what is this 0.75, sir? Inside height.
0.75 when you see
Height,
the
height.
cross section inside of the
Parapet height.
plastering, inside of the parapet wall. Here, like this, it is there, no? Outside, from here to here, you are doing plastering. And again, you are doing it on the top. That top is this. And inside is there, no? Parapet wall. This is roof. And this is parapet wall. Inside
Yes,
this
sir.
length is there, no? Height. So that is
Okay.
0.75. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Now it is clear.
Yes,
Then
sir.
0.1.
This 0.1 is its top width. That top plastering they are also
Okay.
calculated.
Got it.
That also they are calculated.
Yeah.
So this is a 0.75 and here it is 3.5. Here it is 3.5. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now all these things are very small quantities. Very small quantities. Some minor changes in the dimensions will not change much of the problem. Now see here, door, top and bottom of the chajja. How to top and bottom of the chajja? 0.6 is the top. Let us say, I will get, if you draw, then I will, you will understand. It is a wall. Let us think it is a wall. Here the window is there. It is outside the Chaja is projecting. Correct? Outside the Chaja is
Yes, sir.
projecting. This where is that? Top and bottom. This Chaja. This is 0.6 na.
Yes, sir.
Bottom is also 0.6 na.
Yes, sir.
Okay na. So bottom 0.6, this 0.6 and this 0.1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
0.6 plus 0.6 plus 0.1. How much?
1.3.
So that 1.3 is written here. What is this 1.2? 1.2 is the width of that door size, width of that window size. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Width of the door size or width of that opening size plus some bearing, If that is a 1 meter window, if that is a 1 meter door, plus 0.1 plus 0.1. That's all. Like that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, that this step is clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sides of Chaja, it is not so important. Okay, on either side, this side, that side, 2 into 2, and its length 0.6 and its depth. Okay, na? So this depth is 0.125. It is written here. From here to here, it is a 0.6. It is here. Two sides here, two sides there. So that is why it is given like this. Not a big thing. Not a big thing. This is for doors. Similarly for windows. How many windows? 5 windows. And for 5 windows, that Chaja dimensions is same. This width of that opening is also same. You are getting this quantity. Yes. Chaja. Chaja is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, internal plastering. All these are inside to inside dimensions. See here, for kitchen, I will just explain how that 8.2 has arrived. How that 8.2. Height is same, na? 3.5. Height is same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And living 16.4. You too remember these two values. For kitchen 8.2 and for living 16.4. Just remember, we'll go to that diagram. Living room. Calculate the perimeter inside to inside. 3 plus 3 plus 5.2 plus 5.2. How much?
16.4.
Same thing it is written here. 16.4. 2
Yes,
times
sir.
3, 2 times 5.2. Means what? Inside perimeter.
16.4, sir.
Inside perimeter into its height is nothing but internal plaster. Similarly, kitchen. Inside perimeter. 2 points 1.8, 2 points 2.3. How much?
8.2, sir.
Same thing
8.2.
it is written. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All these are what? Inside perimeters of that room. This is height. Inside perimeter and this is height. Clear?
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Similarly, for ceiling plastering, all rooms are there. All rooms inside length, inside B. Inside length, inside width. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Inside length, inside width. Simple. No, nothing much of a calculation is here. Yes? So once you multiply, you will get what? The square meter quantities. You will get the square meter quantities. How many deductions you are going to do? 7 doors, 2 times D1, 5 windows, 3 ventilator. Their schedule of openings is already given. So you do the calculation. Like this. So total deductions, doors, windows, ventilators, 23.85. So in this all 283 minus this, how much it is coming?
$259.19.
283 minus
23.85.
how much?
259.19.
Plus external plastering.
434.84.
430.84. Is that clear for
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Others, why are you quiet?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, huh?
Sir.
Okay. External wall painting. External wall painting. Whatever plastering is there, no? Whatever plastering, external plastering is there, no? In that you have to deduct the door, windows, ventilators. Doors, windows, ventilators. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Doors, windows, ventilators. You know doors, you know windows, you know ventilators. But numbers are there. 2, 5, 3. These are there. But again, it is multiplied with 0.5. Why? I repeat the question. 175.65 is the external plastering. We are calculating for painting, but still you can use the quantity of plastering. In that you have to deduct the openings. What are the openings? Doors,
Doors,
windows,
windows,
ventilator.
and ventilators, sir.
These are the schedules. These are the schedules. And these are the numbers 2, 5, 3. But only one side you are doing the painting. That is why half of them is only taken. Only half of them is only taken. This is the rule. Don't ask why it is like that. This is the rule. Okay, na? You have to take half of the deduction. You have to take the half of the deduction. So that deduction is coming out to be minus 0.57, and this is 175. And you are getting 169. You are getting 169. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sandesh, Srinarayan,
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Srinarayan,
Yes, sir.
Srinarayan.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So internal plastering, same thing. Internal plastering, same thing. 283 is the internal plastering. For internal painting, you have to deduct all these things. You have to deduct all these things. Okay, na? See here. Some of the things have been multiplied with the 0.5. Some of the things have been multiplied with 0.5. Some of the things have not been multiplied with the 0.5. Why?
Sir, internal.
Internal. Because they are internal.
Because
Because
they
they
are
are internal,
internal,
sir.
they have to deduct it totally from internal. But these things have been deducted in outside also. Correct or
Outside.
not?
Yes, yes, sir.
These items, D external, W and V, have been deducted in external painting also. That is why only half of them is taken. Other D and D1, which are there only for internal, there only they have to take full. They have to take full squares, full square meters. Yes or no? All
Yes,
these
sir.
are schedules. All these are schedules.
Schedules.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So total internal plastering minus total deduction will give internal painting. Internal painting. Okay, na? Yes. Now next is enamel painting. Andra, just they will do for paint for doors, windows, no? Metal paints.
Yes,
Metal
sir.
paints for doors, windows, ventilators. There you have to do. There is one term we have to multiply. What is that multiplication? Painting area coefficient. Painting area coefficient. Generally, it is given in the example. Generally, it is given in the example. Painting area coefficient for fully paneled, you should take 1.3. Partly paneled and partly glazed, you should take 1. What is this? Concept understand, please. Concept means what? If it is partly paneled and if it is partly glazed, means what? It is some kind of a smooth. If there are less panels, if it is more gauged type of a window, gauged means glass, gauged means glass. Okay, now if that type of a window, paint consumption is less or normal, there will be normal consumption of the paint. So that is why whatever quantity it is there, no, you are multiplying with 1. But when you take fully paneled means what? There will be grooves, there will be bends, there will be design. So normal paint consumption will be more. How much more? 30% more than the normal. So that is why coefficient is what? 1.3. Coefficient is 1.3. So those things here they have written. Those things they have been written here. What is that? What is that written here? Okay, these are the doors. Yes, door. How much doors are there? 7. D1
Seven,
is 2. W is 5. 3. See,
five window ventilators is 3, sir.
for window and ventilator, because they are glassed or sashed, PAC is 1. PAC is 1. But for doors D and D1, because they are paneled, coefficient is 1.3. How many
Yes, sir.
sides they are going to do? 2 sides. No, on both sides you are going to do the plastering. What are
Yes,
these
sir.
last two? These are the schedules. These are the schedules.
Yes, sir.
What is this 2? 2 is the 2 sides. What is this? Painting area coefficient. What is
Painting
this?
area coefficient, sir.
What is this? These are the number. So
Numbers.
you are going to get the square root. You are going to get this square root. Okay, na? Now flooring, easiest, inside to inside, above the
Yes, sir.
plinth. Inside to inside, above the plinth. All the rooms you should take. Okay, inside to inside. Can you check one room whether it is there like that or not? Any one dimension. You take veranda. Veranda dimensions, whether they are same in the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3 and 2.1.
Yes, sir.
Shweta
Yes, sir.
Munwale. Shweta Munwale. Check the bedroom size 3 and 3.6.
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ
Sir, length 3 and width 3.6.
ಸೇಮ್ ಐತಿ
Har.
ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ನಾ
Ha, sir.
Okay, now same all the inside dimensions, you will get these quantities. Mosaic flooring, 45.74. Now you have to do the abstract. What is that abstract? Like this. What is this abstract? All the items, their quantities, their units,
Unit.
and rate. They generally they will give. Rate they will give. Okay, na? They will give, and you multiply rate and quantity, you will get what? Amount. You add all the amount and you add 3% contingency for this. You add 2% work charge establishment for this. Again, if you add all the things, you will get the total cost. Again, you will get the total cost. See here, in the main exam, this much big problem is not going to give, because it will take more than 1 hour. Okay, na? So hardly 3 to 4 items they are going to ask, and their abstract they are going to ask. But this example is having all the items, so that you will be having good idea. So that you are going to have the good idea. In the main exam, for one module, there 30 minutes time is there. So in that 30 minutes, single BHK or 2 BHK. Okay. So 3 rooms, 4 rooms they will give, and 3 items or 4 items they are going to give. Is that okay, this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next is what? Everyone has understood the problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So to solve in the class, I have taken 1.5 hours, and you will take 2 hours in main exam.
Sir,
Okay.
notes, sir.
ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಸುನಂತ,
हाँ सर.
ಆಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳ್ಸುನಂತ. ಈಗ
Sir,
ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂಕಿ
ಈ
ಮಾಡಿ
ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನು ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾನಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಸರ್ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
ಸರ್ ಸಾಕ್ರಿ.
ಏ ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರ, ನೀ ಏನ್ ಬರೀ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ.
ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದೈತಿ. ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೇನೆ. ನಾಳೆನೂ ತಗೊಂತೇನಪ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
ತಗೋರಿ.
ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್? ನೋ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
So here, just either example, open it in your book. Very small example. Everyone has opened?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Opened?
Yes, sir.
Now can you see here how many rooms? 1, 2, 3. Okay, what they have asked, earthwork excavation, this one. Okay, na? They have given schedule. They have given only one type of footing. One type of footing. Now we are going to do it with which method? Both, any method is possible. Now we are going to do with center to center line method. Whenever if you have given option, do it by center line method because it is very easy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay. How much total center line length? How much this total center line length? Okay, na? So here 0.3 by 2 plus 5 plus 0.3 plus 2.5 plus 0.3 by 2. How much this distance? Center to center.
8 sir.
8 huh?
8
Yes,
sir.
sir.
8.3 sir.
Innum check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. I will tell once again. This side 0.3 by 2 plus
8.1 sir.
0.5 plus 0.3.
8.3 sir.
See here, all walls are 30 only. There are no 21.
8.1,
This
sir.
is
8.1 sir.
8.1 because anywhere it
8.1
is
sir.
mentioned in the cross section. No. They have given only one cross section, 30 centimeter wall. Okay. Everyone understand this problem. All walls are 30 centimeter walls. There is nothing. Okay, internal wall, external wall, nothing. All are 30 centimeter. So 0.3 by 2 plus 5 plus 0.3 by 0.3 plus 2.5 plus this. How much? 0.3 by 2. How much total?
8.1.
8.1.
8.1.
Now come to this side. How much? 0.3 by 2 plus plus 3 plus 0.3 plus 3 plus 0.3 by 2.
0.6.
6.5 sir.
6.6 sir.
6.6. It is 6.6. Correct? Huh?
Sir, 6.6.
0.6 sir.
6.6. This and this is same. No problem. This is okay. Okay na? Now this. How much?
5 plus 3 plus 4.1.
4.1.
1.
Everyone is aware of this one?
Yes sir.
Now see here. To get the total center line length, 8.1, 8.1. Correct? 2 times 8.1. Now this is 6.6. Now can you see this plus this is also 6.6. Correct?
Yes sir.
Yes
This,
sir. Yes sir.
this plus this 6.6 means what? 2 6.6 you need to add. One 6.6 and second 6.6. One 8.1, another 8.1. How much? 2 times 8.1, 2.6.6 and only 1 times 4.1. And only 1 times 4.1. Yes or no?
Yes sir. 33.5.
And another one thing is there. What is that one thing? Wait, 1 second.
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಾಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಅದ ಯಾವುದು?
Tadagin sir.
ಸರ್ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ್ರಿ.
Oh, yes, very good, very good. This one, yes. How much?
3.3, sir.
3.3.
3.
3.3. So you add all the things, how much?
36.8.
36.8. Very good.
36.8, sir.
Ah. It is 6.8. Now, how many junctions can you see?
1, 2.
See here, don't take it outside junctions corner. Only wherever internal walls, whatever
Two,
may be
sir.
the size, if they are
Two junctions.
meeting with this external,
Two, sir.
Two junctions,
you
sir.
should take
2 sir.
1, 2,
2.
3, 4. 4 junctions are there. How much? 4 junctions. Okay, na?
Yes sir.
4 junctions are there. But what is the width of all the walls? B by 2.
0.3, sir.
Same na? B by 3. Whatever that width is there, same thing you are going to take. Now, excavation, you write only one number because we are doing it by center line method. Okay? Don't write length. What is the width? 0.9 from the cross section. What is the depth of excavation? Can anyone check with the diagram? If you add all the things.
0.95 sir.
Others.
0.95 sir.
0.95 na?
Yes, sir. 0.95, sir.
Okay, that is what it is written, 0.95. Now, how to get this length? How to get this length? Center length original, that is 36.8, what you have calculated, minus number of junctions into B by 2, where B is the width of that item. How much?
36.8.
Hey, 36.8 is the original center to center length.
35.
In that you have
35.
to minus, no, n is equal to B by
35 sir.
35. Sandesh?
Yes sir, 35.
35. Shweta Munnale? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, 35.
Okay. That 35 you have to write it here. Here they have not asked us to calculate PCC. Okay. That is simple, quite simple. Only same length, same width, but only there will be change in depth. They have not calculated. Leave it. Come to sidestone masonry. Sidestone masonry or UCR. UCR means uncoursed rubble masonry. SSR means the sidestone masonry. Okay, na? How many footings are there?
3 sir.
3.
Three steps are there, no?
Yes, sir. 3 steps.
First, second, third. Okay, na? So first width kitna? What is the width first?
0.6.
0.6.
6.
Okay. Next,
0.45, sir.
0.45. Third,
0.45 sir.
is it clear for everyone?
Yes sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? 0.6, 0.45, 0.45. What is the depth, respective depths?
0.5 sir.
0.5, 0.3,
0.5,
0.45. 0.5, 0.3, 0.45.
0.45, sir.
Can you see here? 0.5, first footing. Second is 0.3. Third, that is above that ground level, 0.45. Here,
45.
that is 0.6, 0.45, 0.45. 2 0.45s are there, same, because in the diagram only they have given. Don't worry. Okay, na? Now, these two are clear. Now, okay. How to get the corrected length? As it is, center length minus junction and its depth. Sorry, its width. Correct, na? Center length minus its
Minus
number of
depth.
junctions into B by 2.
Number
What
of
is
junctions
B?
into B by
B
2.
is the
1.6, sir.
width of 2. So how much you are getting?
35.6.
35.6, sir.
35.6 is for the first footing. For second, what is the B here?
30.45.
0.45, sir.
0.45 is the width. Okay, na? In the cross section, is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now 36.8 minus 4 into 0.45 by 2. How much?
35.9.
35.9, sir.
So 35.9 is for second footing and is also for plinth footing. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So multiply, you'll get so much of quantity. Multiplying, you get so much of quantity. For brickwork, very, very simple. Total center to center length minus number of junctions. What is B by 2 here? What is B by 2
0.3.
here?
0.3 by 2, sir.
0.3 by 2. Okay, na? So what is that length?
36.2.
So that 36.2 width of the brick wall is 0.3 and the height of the brick wall in the cross section is 3. So you are going to get a 32.58. You are going to get a 32.58. Now, come to the deductions. How many doors, windows are there? Main door 1, huh?
Yes, sir.
D. Please see the diagram.
Yes, sir. Main
Window
door 1,
one.
sir.
D1, how many are there in the diagram?
2, sir.
2.
Windows,
8.
8, sir.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This 1.2 and 2.1 are given in the schedule. 0.3 is the width of the wall. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sandesh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Same thing. Lintel, same openings you are going to write, same numbers you are going to write, but
Add
only you are adding bearing. Bearing, very good. You are
Add
adding
yes, sir. Bearing, sir.
1.2 plus 0.15, 0.15, 1 plus 0.15, 0.15. Like that you are going to add. Width is same. Thickness of the lintel is this. Thickness of the lintel is this. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are going to deduct them. So total deduction is minus 7 and total quantity is 32.5. Total quantity is 32.58. So you are going to get what? 25.51. 25.51. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same thing can be solved using long wall, short wall method, which we have done. Okay. For every long wall, width of that item is added. For every short wall, width of that item is deducted. That we have done practice no in the beginning. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, that same example is solved like this. Okay, still half an hour time is there.
Sir, sack.
ಈ ರಂಗು ಯಾಕೋ ಅರೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Sir, wind up, sir.
ಸಾಕ
Sorry.
ವೇಟ್ ಒಂದು second. So tomorrow I will take a 2-hour class from 12:30 to 2:30.
Sir.
So some diagrams are there, hexagonal shape, semicircular shape, that examples are there. So we are going to take them. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Only Ranganath is saying answers. Prerna madam. Hello, good morning.